How to do bicycle crunches. Essential core moves. Are you ready to sculpt your ABS and build a stronger core? Bicycle crunches are one of the most effective exercises to target your abdominal muscles, obliques, and even your hip flexors. Follow these steps to perform bicycle crunches correctly and maximize your results. Step-by-step guide. Starting position. Lie flat on your back with your hands behind your head, elbows out to the sides. Lift your legs off the ground, bending your knees at a 90-degree angle. Engage your core. Tighten your core muscles by pulling your belly button towards your spine. Begin the movement. Simultaneously lift your shoulder blades off the ground and twist your torso to bring your right elbow towards your left knee. Straighten your right leg out in front of you. Alternate sides. Switch sides by bringing your left elbow towards your right knee and straightening your left leg. Continue to alternate sides in a pedaling motion, ensuring your movements are controlled and deliberate. Breathing. Exhale as you twist and crunch, and inhale as you return to the starting position. Tips for proper form. Keep your lower back pressed into the floor to avoid strain. Avoid pulling on your neck with your hands. Your ABS should be doing the work. Perform the exercise slowly to maintain control and engage the muscles fully. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one.